Buckle up because I'm about to drop some truth bombs that will make your corporate chains rattle. You've been fed a lie, a poisonous myth that's been drip fed into your veins since the day you stepped into the workforce. The lie that climbing the corporate ladder is the ultimate path to success and fulfillment, especially for Black women who have fought tooth and nail to shatter glass ceilings and break down barriers. But I'm here to rip off the Band-Aid and expose the ugly truth. Corporate success often comes at the cost of your soul, your dreams, and your true purpose. While climbing that ladder might pad your bank account and earn you some fancy titles, it can also lead to what I call corporate amnesia, a soul sucking condition where your unique talents, passions, and aspirations are slowly erased, replaced by the mind numbing demands of corporate life. I've seen it with my own two eyes. Back when I was trapped in the corporate grind, I watched as my colleagues who dared to pursue their side hustles and entrepreneurial ventures came alive with a fire that no corner office could ever spark. One of my girls, who had been slaving away in a dead-end job, finally took the leap and turned her love for fashion into a thriving empire. The transformation was mind-blowing. She went from a walking zombie to a vibrant, unstoppable force of nature, all because she had the courage to align her work with her true calling. And she's not some unicorn either. Throughout history, Black women have been shattering the shackles of corporate oppression and building their own damn empires. Look at Madame C.J. Walker, a true OG who rose from the trenches of poverty to become one of the wealthiest self-made women of her time. Despite facing every obstacle imaginable, limited education, racial discrimination, and empty pockets, she turned her personal struggle with hair loss into a hair care revolution that uplifted an entire community. Madame Walker didn't just build a business, she built a movement. By empowering other Black women to become sales agents and entrepreneurs, she created a ripple effect of economic freedom and self-determination that still resonates today. Her legacy is a testament to the unstoppable power of Black women who dare to bet on themselves and reclaim their identity beyond the suffocating confines of corporate America. And then there's Mandy Price, a modern-day trailblazer who said, "Hell no" to corporate amnesia and hell yes to her passion for fashion. Mandy climbed the corporate ladder like a boss, but deep down she knew she was meant for more than just pushing papers and playing office politics. Despite her success, she felt trapped, stifled, and disconnected from her true self. So she took a leap of faith and left the corporate world behind to build a fashion empire that reflected her unique style and values. By staying true to herself and pouring her heart into her business, Mandy not only found success on her own terms, but also became a beacon of inspiration for other women yearning to break free from the soul-crushing expectations of corporate life. Her story is proof that it's never too late to reclaim your identity and pursue your passions, no matter how deep you may be in the corporate quicksand. And don't even get me started on Whitney Wolfe Herd, the badass co-founder of Tinder and founder of Bumble who took on the tech bros and won. Despite facing every form of sexism and disrespect imaginable, Whitney refused to be silenced or sidelined. She played a key role in turning Tinder into a dating app juggernaut and then went on to create Bumble, a game-changing platform designed to put women in the driver's seat. By expanding Bumble into a powerhouse for community building and professional networking, Whitney built more than just an app. She built a movement that celebrates and elevates women in all areas of their lives. These fierce, fabulous women are living proof that true success lies in owning your power, embracing your entrepreneurial spirit, and aligning your work with your deepest passions and values. When you break free from the corporate amnesia that's been holding you back and start betting on yourself, you tap into a wellspring of creativity, innovation, and fulfillment that can transform not only your own life, but the lives of everyone around you. Just imagine the kind of world we could create if more people had the courage to say, fuck you, to the corporate hamster wheel and yes, please, to their entrepreneurial dreams. We'd see an explosion of game-changing ideas, groundbreaking businesses, and purpose-driven leaders who aren't afraid to shake up the status quo and create a more inclusive, equitable, and lit AF economy for all. So here's my challenge to you. It's time to wake up from the corporate amnesia that's been dulling your shine and dimming your fire. It's time to reclaim your identity, your passions, and your power and start building the empire of your dreams. Because when you dare to bet on yourself and align your work with your true calling, you become an unstoppable force for change, not just in your own life, but in the lives of every person you touch. So I'll ask you one more time. Are you ready to break free from the toxic myth of corporate success and start writing your own damn success story? Are you ready to be the kind of entrepreneur who doesn't just make money moves, but moves mountains? If you're ready to stop sleeping on yourself and start owning your greatness, then stand the hell up, speak your truth, and let your entrepreneurial fire burn so bright that it lights up the whole damn world. This is your wake up call, your rallying cry, your invitation to reclaim your identity and start building an empire that sets your soul on fire. Because when you do, there won't be a corporate ladder high enough to contain your greatness. And that's on period.